What's up guys, my name is Joe, and in today's video this is my honest opinion of the iPhone 11 Pro after 2 weeks of use. Alright guys, so here we have it, iPhone 11 Pro. I've been using this beautiful device for 2 weeks now, and these are my honest opinions, or my honest opinion and thoughts of this device. So let's go ahead. First of all, very important to know, I did not want to upgrade. I am doing a Hungarian channel that focuses on Apple products, so I had to update. And it turned out to be one of the best decisions I ever made because I'm absolutely happy with this device. This is one of the best iPhones I've ever had in my hand. It's the best value for this amount of money. It could be cheaper. Obviously, everything could be cheaper, but there are a couple of points that I really like about this device that I will share with you. First of all, the design. Even though the design did not change this year, we still have the iPhone X design. The iPhone 11 Pro feels so premium. It's one of the most premium-est devices I've ever held in my hand. The use of all the materials with the stainless steel, the glass on the back, is absolutely high quality. Now, the matte glass on the back is something very beautiful. Every time I look at it in any kind of light, mostly like daylight or lights inside, it looks a little bit different. There's a little bit extra to it. Underneath the glass, there's probably a metal sheet or something because it has this metallic look. I don't know, this matte glass is just amazing. Anytime I look at it, any way I hold it, it's some kind of a different shade of a green or gray. I'm happy that I chose the midnight green because I wanted a new color. This is the first manly color upgrade for a while now, so actually forever, because the manly colors, I know this is not very PC, I apologize to people who think there's a manly color and womanly color and whatever. I consider this a manly color along with the space gray or the black in the previous years. We've had one upgrade from space gray to the jet black back in the iPhone 7 era. Before that, we only had black, white, gold, rose gold. So we had white and rose gold version. We did not have any other masculine colors. This is one of the first colors that is actually different. That is not a version of a black or a gray, but it's a separate color, and I really love it. Very slippery, so I hold it in a case, but I love this quality and material so much that when I'm home, when I'm in my bed or somewhere where I'm not afraid I will drop it, I take it out of its case and use it. Use it all the time. If you're wondering what kind of case I use, this is the case. This is a Pitaka case that is made of aramid. It's stronger than carbon. It looks amazing. It's magnetic, and I have a magnetic car holder. I just pop it on there. It charges wirelessly. Very good fit, very good quality, very thin. It doesn't give any bulk to my phone. If you want to check this out, link in the description. So the design is amazing. What else? What else is there? Now, back in January, we've had a lot of rumors about these cameras. Yes, there has been a controversy around these cameras. To some people it looks very ugly, but in person actually it's a very beautiful camera system. Now, as you can see, this glass is not matte, and it's so shiny that sometimes I feel that it's like a mirror. You could even see the camera right now. For the people who don't like this camera system, if you don't like this is on the back of the phone, you don't look at it. So I only look at it when I want to because I want to admire it. I love it. I love the choice that they put the Apple logo in the middle, and I love that they took off everything and it's just the Apple logo. Sadly, in Europe, where I'm from, you have those two little signs at the bottom because they have to, they're compulsory, but other than that, nothing on there. Very gorgeous. And even the stainless steel has a little bit of a green tint to it. So, the other thing I love about this phone, and my opinion about it is the display, which is kind of part of the design. Now, I don't like that it did not change. We still have the same big notch that we had for the past 2 years with iPhone X and XS, but I got used to it. I don't mind. And the OLED screen, when I'm watching a video, it's not full screen, I don't zoom into it, so the blacks are so black I can't even realize that there is a notch over there. I got used to it. That's the straight fact. I don't care about it anymore. I would love to see that it's gone, but I would really miss Face ID, and Face ID got better. Not 30%, I don't feel 30% improvement, I feel that it's a teeny bit faster and a teeny bit better. Before I couldn't use it with my sunglasses, now I can, and that I really admire. I was so frustrated I could never use it with my sunglasses. This one works with my sunglasses. I have Ray-Bans. In terms of the screen, as they say, it's one of the best screen displays on a phone. To me, it looks the same as the iPhone XS. Don't see much difference there. I like the screen or display on the XS. I like it on this one too. Sometimes I notice that it's brighter. And now, what I really like, what I really like are the cameras. The cameras are amazing. And I've had the opportunity to go to Paris Disneyland last week, and that was the first week with my phone. And I tried the camera system there for the first time with the wide angle lens and the telephoto lens and the portrait shots and everything. And it's so freaking detailed. The colors are accurate. And if you're viewing the photos on your phone, on this screen, it's gonna be an amazing experience. And let's face it, I'm looking at my photos 80% of the time on this screen. Where else would I be looking? Maybe on my iPad sometimes or my MacBook, but mostly on this screen, and they look gorgeous on here. The wide angle, I did not know that I needed a wide angle lens in my life, and ever since I had that, I cannot think of why I didn't have this. I know other manufacturers did it before. Apple put it in there really late. The quality of these photos is amazing. The wide angle provides such a great opportunity to capture as much as you can, 120 degrees viewing angle, fantastic. But what I use more, and I did not know I needed in my life, is the night mode. And this is just a very simple comparison between iPhone XS and 11 Pro. It's an image that I capture with my phone with very low light conditions, so the sun just went down. It's really the night sky, just a little bit of light coming through. And while the iPhone XS tried to put together a decent picture, it failed miserably. And if you look at the iPhone 11 Pro, amazing. It looks like a daytime shot. And I have a lot of these examples. I love this phone for the nighttime. If you have a stand for it, put it on there. You can do amazing photos with the nighttime or night mode. Now, in terms of performance, I don't see that much of an upgrade compared to an iPhone XS. I don't feel it faster, maybe a couple of milliseconds or seconds. Nothing extraordinary. I think the A12 and A13 is on par with each other. I think iOS 13 needs to have a lot of work done before iPhone 11 Pro can actually show the speed difference between the two devices. Right now, nothing extraordinary. With my day-to-day use, I don't edit photos on there. I don't do video on my iPhone, obviously. Nothing special. So that's something that I knew already. I wasn't expecting to have a phone that's like 2 times faster. Wow. No, it's not. And I'm fine with it. It doesn't really matter. What matters is the battery life. And the battery life is the other thing that I'm so happy about, because with my iPhone XS, I unplugged at 8 o'clock in the morning, and by 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, battery was dead, 0% gone. So if I didn't bring a charger to me throughout the day, didn't bring a battery pack, I was a goner. I had no other choice than to always have a charger with me and plug in wherever I could. This phone, now I'm a very heavy user. Hotspot all the time and GPS all the time. These are the most heaviest things that a phone can do. So while I'm on the go on public transportation, I watch YouTube all the time. So I'm watching videos, I'm using GPS, I am sharing my Wi-Fi or my internet with my iPad and MacBook. This phone lasts from 8 to 12 hours a day. Screen on time. Amazing. I'm saved. I really am. I love it. So, altogether, what does this mean? That I think the iPhone 11 is a fantastic upgrade. I think this is what the iPhone XS should have been. I think the XS, in retrospect, was not worth the money. If you had an iPhone 10 and you upgraded to XS, you made a mistake, and I felt that mistake. There was no need for me to upgrade. If I would have had the 10 and upgraded to the 11, fantastic, or 11 Pro, fantastic. That's a really good. If you have a XS and you like the camera and you want more battery, then I suggest you upgrade because it's totally worth it. It's one of the most amazing phones Apple's done so far. It's the most complete phone I've ever felt for a long time, actually since the iPhone 4. That was like breathtaking and amazing, and this is the next iPhone 4. So guys, that's my honest opinion. I really want to know what you guys think. Hit me down in the comment section below. Also, check out the links in the description, and until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.